Drive on. Okay, stick around. So, time to leave hot, sweaty, and busy Marrakesh and off to Lisbon. Let's go and see how easy it is to get my drone back. Hopefully, it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, see you at the airport. Yeah, keep change. Cool. At the airport, apparently we just go straight to arrivals, pick up the drone. So if you are thinking about bringing a drone into Marrakesh, it's actually pretty easy. You're just obviously not allowed to take it into the country, but you can just drop it off. Pay 100 dirhams with cash. You need cash, you can't pay on card. And then, yeah, put it back in your bag and then off you go. I won't be able to film this bit, they won't let me film, so I'll check in with you later on. So the little service area behind me there is where you go, but you have to check in first, so I've got to go and check in and then come back with my boarding pass, and then hopefully I can get it. Well, made it through. It was so scatty getting my drone then. You walk into the room and there's like 100 drones in there with no proper labels. just some guys written the date on the label and then stuck it on the top. So I had to like literally go in the room full of luggage and find my drone. But anyway, I found it. The bonus of that was that I got escorted through the you know when you go and scan your bags and stuff, some little cutie Moroccan security girl escorted me right to the front, so I got to push the queue to immigration. So that's cool. So drone in hand and off to Lisbon. So I'll see you in Lisbon. Well, that was the smoothest sleazy jet flight I've ever got. We landed like half an hour early. We got on really quick as well. So, welcome to Lisbon. Just gonna get an Uber to the hotel. I'll show you the hotel, and then next time you see me, I'll be in the city exploring. Let's get to the hotel. Mahmoud. Obrigado, Mahmoud. So slow. Cool. This is the room. Let's have a look at the view. There is Lisbon there. Beds, and then let's have a look. Bathroom. Oh, it's quite nice. Toilet. Nice shower. Cool. Welcome to Lisbon, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Actually, before I go, there's a pool down there as well. Look at that pool. Not bad. Cool. See you next time.